Hey, what's up YouTube? Today I'm going to be talking about how to hook up a power supply from a computer to a car amplifier, sound amplifier, to run in your bedroom. All you need is a power supply from a computer and a pair of wire cutters and just a flat tip screwdriver, pretty much, and wire strippers. Alright, the first thing you want to do is you want to have your power supply, and you want to cut off the wires that or you can desolder it. I don't desolder because I don't have the skills. But what you have to do is you have to locate the green wire. There should only be one green wire on here, and right on the other side of the right next to the green wire is going to be a black one. If you connect those two wires, the green and the black, the unit power supply will turn on when you plug it in. The second step is also you need to have you have to find the connections. Here we go. Alright, here are the connections, okay? This main unit, this is what the green wire is going to be connected to. The green and black wire are going to be connected, right? Those wires right here. That's where they're going to be connected. The green one right here, and then the black one. One of the blacks does not work also, and same way as the power. All you have to do is locate one of these power connectors, and then just trace the wire all the way back. And then, in my case, I don't use the red one. I use the yellow one, that's positive 12 volts. And one also of the black wire grounds do not work also, so you'll need a multimeter to test those. And all you have to do is you strip the wires, and when you don't need this or the wires, also try to find a red wire and cut yourself about 2 inches of wire off, because you need to make a jumper for the connection on the remote for the amp. Alright, let's take a look at the amplifier itself. Alright, here's the amplifier right here. It's a Optimus Prime, as I call it. But it's Optimus. It's 260 watts bridgeable stereo amplifier. It's a XL260. And right here are the connections for the battery, for the 12 volt positive, negative ground, and also remote. So what you want to do is you want to find just set your power unit on there for right now until you get this all wired up. Get a flat tip screwdriver and unscrew the positive 12 volts. Make sure it's positive 12 volts. Just insert your wire and tighten that down. Oh wait, my bad, sorry. Take the black one, and in this case my middle one is negative for ground, and insert that into there. Tighten that one down. Alright, now, after we got that all done, you have to make a jumper, which I lost my jumper. This is as long as my jumper is. It's that long. And what you have to do is pull out your positive 12 volts, and then just tighten it on there so it looks like that. Then, you just take it and insert it again on the positive 12 volts into the amplifier. And the red one, the jumper cable that you made, connect that to the remote connection. There should be 3 connections, and this is the remote one. And this one's for your head on your CD player in your stereo system in your car. And as soon as the radio is turned on, it'll send 12 volts to the amplifier to kick on the amplifier so it knows to be turned on. Alright, that's pretty much all you have to do. This wire, like I said, it's the green and the black. You have to test one of the blacks to make sure it'll work. Connect your green, or you can put a switch in there, either way. And shut your system off the power supply. Tighten, connect the black and green together, and then hit your power switch on your power supply. And if it turns on, then you know your system has power, and you should see that the power indicator lights, the LED lights on the amplifier itself, will turn on. All you have to do now is just hook up your RCA cables to, if you're just running this in your your house or something, or into your bedroom, all you have to do is looks like try not to break anything. But let's just look at it again. Alright. Main system right here, it's got 4 RCAs itself because this is a bridgeable. It has high input cables also that I can plug into. Oh, kind of helps if I put it the right way. Into there. And these are just input cables for higher bass and amplifiers. Or not amplifiers, but subwoofers. Now, all you have to do is find what channels you want to use. In this case, I'm going to use 1 and 2. And I'm just going to connect my RCA cables to the left and right audio jacks on the connection itself. In this case, I have black and yellow. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, but black and yellow. And in this case, I'm not going to turn on the bridge. There's a switch right here. I'm just going to leave that right now. I'm going to turn my level for my amp down, well, about midway. And then all you have to do is, on your RCA cable, I have a 3.5 millimeter audio jack cable, which I can plug into my iPod, my computer, stuff like that. All you have to do is just plug in your power for your system and everything, or for your power supply. Hit your switch, and your indicators on the power supply should also, or if you have lights on this one, it should come on, and your amplifier itself. But I'm just going to show you something also, that when you're hooking up subs, especially on this one, which I'm going to just hook up really fast, make sure your port on your subwoofer is the right size, or your air port, because if it's not, it's going to end like catastrophic. So in this case, I'm going to bridge it, so all I do is press my bridge button, and since I'm using connections inputs 1 and 2 for the RCA jacks, you have positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, negative. And bridging is when you take, let's just say, the positive one on the, and you can only do it for the RCA jacks that you're using. You can't do it for the 3 and 4th RCA ports. Alright, so that one's positive. Now instead of hitting this one, I'm going to come over here to, wait, hold up, positive, negative. Alright, no, it's positive, negative, negative, positive, sorry. So, then I'll just go positive, negative, negative, positive, and so on. Now, what you want to do is, since that's negative on the second one, all you have to do is just unscrew it, insert your wire, tighten that down, make sure that's snug, and there you go. Now, if I want to have these ones, I would have my positive wire going on this one, and my negative wire going on this one, for positive and negative. Now, if I wanted to run ports 3 and 4 for the inputs, I would use positive, negative, and then positive, negative. So it's simple as that. And then, of course, all you have to do now is just tune your system to the right frequency of your sound system and your subs. Alright? So subscribe, comment, rate, and go check out my other videos. So that's pretty much it. Alright, thanks. Later.